Melanie Kate. Most people call me Mel. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I thank everyone who has subscribed so far. If you subscribe today, I thank you too. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a way of upcycling your Birchbox monthly beauty subscription. Now for this, I'm doing this for my friend's birthday. I'm going to make her her own box out of my favourite things plus a few things more for her to have, like a spa kind of nice get ready with me. So it's got a bit of a mixture of what I've picked, of what I've liked in each box, or if stuff that I haven't used, I've put that in there too. So all you'll need for this is a Birchbox, basically one of your boxes. I've got a few here that I've picked that I would like to use, and I'm going to pick out of them. I will show you them in a minute. And then I've got all the products. So if you pick products that you like or think they will like, then just reorder them off of Birchbox. All of the information will be in the description box down below as to like the website and stuff like that, so you can reorder stuff. And then other than that, you'll just need like a birthday card or like a notelet to put in there to just to give them for that with their birthday. And I've just picked the colourful one that I got from my Paper Gang Oh Dear box a good while ago. I think it was April, even May maybe. So I'll show you the boxes I have picked now. This is for my friend's birthday. Every time she sees my Birchboxes, she's like, oh, what's that? Oh, this sounds really cool and that. So that's why I've decided to do this for her birthday. Give her a treat, a nice treat, and a way of allowing her to have a spa day in some sorts, but just to have like a spa time, and it's new makeup to try and stuff like that, because she's always wanting to try my Birchbox itself. So obviously this is a one-off box. I'm not doing this for the year, so I have spent about £15 to £20 on her, and that is what I am putting into the box, which I will show you the boxes now. I'm pretty sure I know which one I want to use, but there is a few here. So I keep all my Birchboxes because I think they're good for gifts anyway, but also because I've seen recently a few people upcycle their boxes, which I hope to do in the next few months to show you, this being one of them. And so these are the boxes I've picked. So this is last month's one, which is the cardboard kind. I can't really remember what months these ones are, but I thought that she would like the pale nude pink with the palm leaves. I thought she'd really like that. This is one that I have picked, but I think I will not be using it because I think it's as much as I love it, I think for what I'm doing for her, the cardboard ones will be better. But this is this one, which is the happy birthday tin, which is actually a tin, and I think I may use that for one of my grandmas for Christmas maybe, or even my mum, I'm not sure. This one is one of my absolute favourites, and it's just a bit of me on the box really. Pink and purple marble. I think this is the one I will be using. And the last one, which I thought she would just like, is the Birchbox and Oh Dear, which would be nice to use because I've got the Oh Dear card, but I think Lavinia would like this one. But the one I'm going to go for, I think the most, is the pink and purple, because it's just bright and vibrant, and it's just so, it makes me smile every time I see it in the cupboard. So that is the one I'm going to go for. So I've got my card. I've also got her birthday card because I got this anyway, so I'm going to give her a proper birthday card. But in this one, I'm just going to write a little note. It is blank inside, so I can write a little note inside. And she will love all I've got. So I will go through now what I'm putting into it. So I got 3 masks. I'm giving her the Whittard's tea because I know she would like that, and I don't drink tea, so I think she'll really like this. She always has a cup of tea when she comes round. Then I'm giving her the Benefit Pearl Primer. the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, which was really good. I really like this, so I'm giving her that sample one. I'm giving her the Model Co Baked Highlighter. I'm giving her the Manakada Beauty Step 3 Imperfect. I am giving her the Balance Me Natural Skincare in the serum. I'm giving her the Glam Glow Super Cleanser. I am giving her the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm going to give her the Coconut Milk Hair Mask. Then I'm giving her the Luscious Lip Stain, because I love the colour of this. Then I'm going to give her the Natural Body Wash Shower Gel. I like the scent of this, the smell of it. And then I'm giving her the Hair Performance Hair Care Smoothing Balm. And then I have decided I'm going to give her the Spectrum A04 brush, which is a really good brush to use. I've got one of them. So now I've just put it all into this box, and now I'm going to get it all out again and restart. All I've left in the box is the foam bit from what they put in them. Other than that, it is completely empty. So I'm going to just start by filling the box up. Some of it may not all fit, but I hope so. And then the box is complete. It is cram-packed full. I'd say if you're going to spend more money on the person, I would put it into a hamper itself or into another box. This has got absolutely everything in it but the birthday card. So I'm going to leave the birthday card out and just use my other birthday card. But I think Lavinia will really like this box, so I'm really happy I made it. So that is it. My best friend's Birchbox, Upcycle Birchbox birthday gift is ready. I really am pleased with this. I know she will love it because she loves beauty, trying out new products, and having time for yourself to do like spa stuff, like face masks and like that chill time in the shower. She has had a baby this year, so she has less time than normal, which is totally fine. You've had a baby, so but that time she does have is lovely. Just to put a mask on and stuff like that would be perfect. So that is why I have done her this Birchbox. She also likes spa days and breaks, so having one at home is brilliant. So please, so that is it for today's video, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Please comment down below if you would or have a friend that would love their own birthday spa Birchbox upcycle, basically, or if not, how would you upcycle your Birchbox? I hope to have a few more videos out on this within the next few months, so please come back and check my channel out for them. Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post, and thanks for watching. Bye!